What is up, YouTube? How you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing well. It's been quite a while, it's been 2 months or so since I've uploaded any type of video. I know you guys are mad, probably. I'm really sorry. I've been doing a lot of things in the back end about my trading journey and everything. I got a lot of things to explain in this video, and so just please bear with me and watch till the end. And as you guys have seen in the title and the thumbnail of this video, I am finally funded. Yeah, your boy is finally funded right now, and not only funded, but I got the 50k funded account. Yeah, it is 50k, and it's also a futures account, not the forex one. So I have shifted from forex to futures. So in this video, I'm gonna explain like a lot of things. I have a lot of things to say, and also at the end of the video, I wanna talk with you guys. Kind of like some personal things and everything. I wanna just talk with you guys. So please just bear with me and watch till the end. So before we get started, I want to mention about my Discord server. I have made a free Discord server where fellow traders can join, like anyone, like from beginner to professional. It doesn't really matter. You guys can join. I have made a totally free community, and I want to make this community the greatest trading community ever. So just please join up and show some love. So I'm going to leave the link in the description and also the comment. So make sure to join. And so let's just get started. So on around May, like the first week of May, I was trading like usual, and I was just so excited to make so many videos with it, with the 10k account. So I started trading, and I got like literally zero setups. I know like everyone gonna be like, I'm a really bad trader and shit like that, but it doesn't. It's really not like that. As per my rules and strategy, I didn't get a single good setups. Even if I got one or two, I was just straight up losing, or maybe like get a break even trade. So I was in a drawdown or maybe like break even. So I was just going nowhere on that on that prop account. It really made me demotivated, and luckily one day I was scrolling through Instagram and came upon this thing called NQ and ES, which everyone were trading this NQ and ES. Like every big YouTubers, big influencers were trading NQ and ES. So I kind of got interest in it, and I started researching about it. That what is this NQ and ES is, and I found out about futures. And the literally, I don't regret a thing like shifting from forex to futures. Like that was the best decision of my life, literally. So I started demo trading for maybe 1 week or maybe 1.5 weeks, and I got really great results. I was printing up money like maybe like $1,000 in like 5 to 10 minutes. So I was printing up money so fast. Yeah, it was demo money, but yeah. And also I didn't really change my strategy or like the setups and the confluences and everything. Like I was trading on NY session, like New York session. Everything was same. Just I was just trading futures, like NQ and ES. So only thing that I changed is like forex to futures. That's it. Like nothing changed. So everything was same, and I was trading my own setup and everything, and I got really great results, like far more greater results than forex. And I was really confident and comfortable with futures more. Um, so I decided to just take a leap of faith, because on the forex account I didn't really had so much risk from my end. I had around like $50, last $50 on my name, and there was this one like offer, 50% offer for new users on my funded futures. If you like buy any of the account, I bought the 50k starter plan, and I got this for maybe like $47 or something. So I decided to spend my own money, which I never did. And this was the first time that I was like making this much amount, like spending this much amount. I've been thinking about like buying this account for maybe 1 week or so, and finally decided to buy this account. And I finally bought it, and then I started trading on it. And to be honest, I'm gonna show you guys all the PNL and trading stuff later. But I was really like a consistent trader. Like I was getting some consistent amount of profits, but there was this one thing which kind of messed up with my psychology, which was like the monthly subscription. So in the futures platform space, they got this monthly subscription type of thing where you gotta pay the monthly fee if you don't pass the challenge in a month. So I had this deadline of like passing the challenge in like 1 month. So I had to get it done by 1 month because I didn't really have any type of money. So the first two or maybe like 2.5 weeks, I was really consistent, and I was winning some money, I was losing some money. Like it wasn't that much, but yeah. So around I gained around like $800 or so, and I was really consistent. But the month was coming to an end, and I had to make a decision. Like I was no near close to like the profit target, which was like $3,000. So I had to get it done, and I decided to risk around $1,000, which is like absurd amount of money. Like you guys should not do that. Like I don't recommend doing that. But I decided to do it, and first I lost that money. I lost around maybe 1K. I will just explain the story later, how I lost that money. Then I de-risked around $500. I started risking $500 and recovered all of the losses, and I was up around like maybe around like $800 to $900 or so. Then again, I started risking around $1,000, and that trade, it was, I really remember it clearly. That was a Thursday night. Like for me, it was night. NY opens, and I risked around $1,000, and I was like this close to pass the challenge. I will show you guys all the trades. Like I was this close to pass the challenge, and price started moving towards my SL. The one thing that I regret on that night was like getting out of the trade earlier. I was really this close to getting stopped out, but after like 30 minutes or so, it just dumped into my TP. I closed that trade earlier because I didn't want to lose too much profits, because I was risking $1,000, so I didn't want to lose so much. So I was up around 1.5k in total profit. So I needed around more 1.5k to like pass the challenge. After that day, Friday came, and I had to get it done by Friday because like I had 3 more days like after the weekends. So every single major news or like red folder news was on that week. So I had to get it done by Friday, which is like another type of pressure. So Friday came, and my stupid ass decided to do something stupid. I analyzed my trade. I marked out all of my draws on liquidity and shit. So New York opens, and without any some confluence, I just put my $1,000, not like $1,000, it was like around 1.2k, and just straight up lost 1.2k in just some minutes. I got so much demotivated by looking at my PNL, and just 1.2k was gone just like that. I had around like $200, maybe $270 or something like that. So I was thinking all of this thing like giving up and shit. But I told myself that I still got 3 more days, 3 or 4 maybe days. What if just I don't give up and just see what those 4 days, what I can do on those 4 days, and just reset my brain on the weekends and just trade with a fresh mind. So I just calm myself down and just think about, and just not think about trading on the weekends, and just totally reset my brain. Finally, Monday came, and we had this unemployment rate news on maybe like 30 minutes after the NY opens. New York opens. I marked out all of my draws on liquidity, and I analyzed perfectly, and I didn't want to like jump into a trade instantly. I waited for price to hit my draws on liquidity, which it hit after like NY opens, and it started breaking structure, and I patiently waited for a retracement and a bearish reaction out of it. I wanted to short, so I entered on that trade, and I had around like 20 more minutes till the news came. So I needed around 2.8k, so keep it in your mind. I only had around like 2 more minutes to like news came, until news came. I was in a $2,000 floating profit, 2.5k, and I only needed around $300. and like 2 minutes before news came, 2 minutes or maybe 1 minute before news came, it hit my take profit, and that's how I passed my challenge. That was my story of me getting funded after like a lots of ups and downs, like with the forex account and also with the futures account. After like getting in drawdown, getting it back into profits, again losing like most 90% of my profits, and like in like one trade, again winning, like passing my whole challenge. So this is the story of me getting funded after like trading for 4 months and like getting out of this drawdown or break even thing, and just finally passing my event. Now I'm gonna show you guys all the trades and PNL calendar right now. So before we get onto the charts and everything, please follow me on Instagram. I'm gonna put my Instagram ID somewhere around here, and also join the Discord server. I'm gonna put the Discord name and everything like in the comments too. So please join up and make sure to like and subscribe this channel. I really appreciate you guys, and thanks for all the support and everything. So please do subscribe, and let's just get onto the charts. So this was the 50k account, the 50k starter one from My Funded Futures, and this is the PNL calendar right here. I started on the first day, and I was really consistent with my trades. You guys can see the first almost like the 2.5 weeks I was really consistent. This day comes and I didn't get any type of setups that day, but I was in this Discord server. It was around like really late, nearly like around the 1 hour, maybe like 1 hour before the PM session ends. So it was really late. It was my fault. Absolutely, it was my fault. Like taking others' advice and just getting influenced by others, and just taking this trade against my own rules. And like I didn't get any type of trades on the AM session, and it was like really late. And after getting influenced, I entered and I lost 1.2k that day. So this was the Thursday that I was talking about, like passing my trade. Like I was this close to like pass my account, and this was the legendary Friday. My stupid ass took this trade and lost 1.2k. And after the weekends, like in 13 minutes, I was up around 2.7k, almost like 2.8k. And just like that, I passed my account. So this is my certificate right here. And just like that, I was a 50k funded trader with My Funded Futures. So at the end of the video, I told you guys that I want to have some personal talk, and I hope you guys will relate to me, because I'm just a 19-year-old guy who has been trading for not so long. And it is for those who are still struggling and just maybe thinking about giving up. From my own experience, like if you are in like the trenches, just please don't give up. Just please do not give up, and please just keep working harder and just make your dreams true. So when I first started trading, I had this set of goals, like really short-term goals. It was like really short-term goals. I written down like simple things like getting consistent with day trading, following my strategies, following my rules, following my risk management, and the last one was getting funded. In like 4 or 5 months or so, I did it all. So it kind of made me feel really good after like seeing that journal. I'm really not good at talking, so please, I apologize. If you guys are like me, who are struggling and who are at the trenches right now, and who are like really struggling with mentally and maybe like physically, or maybe like any aspect of their life, just please go. I'm rooting for you, and please don't ever give up. Just do whatever it takes to achieve your dream. Me personally, I'm gonna do everything that it takes. I'm gonna make it in this game, and I'm gonna make a name for myself. I'm gonna document every single thing on this YouTube channel, and like, yeah, you guys will be the witness. And also you guys, I want to say this to you guys too, because make yourself proud, bro. Like literally, make your inner child proud, and I'm rooting for you guys. And please just do not ever give up. I've been yapping for too long, I know, but this is it. I'm rooting for you guys, and that's it for today. Peace out.